Objective: to study about human reproduction, the male reproductive system, musculature, epididymis, to urethral meatus. Musculature of the testes and scrotum. The wall of the scrotum contains a smooth involuntary muscle called tunica dartos. Cremaster muscle is present in the spermatic cord. It contains striated muscle fibers but is involuntary in function. The contraction of the dartos and cremaster muscles draw the testes close to the body in cold conditions. Epididymis. The vasa efferentia emerge out of the testes and open into the epididymis. The epididymis is a long, highly and tightly coiled tube. It is located along the anterodorsal surface of the testes. The epididymis is differentiated into three regions. They are the caput, corpus, and cauda epididymis. The caput epididymis is also known as the head or globus major. It receives sperms from the vasa efferentia. The corpus epididymis, also known as the body, is the middle region of the epididymis. The cauda epididymis is also known as the tail or globus minor. Storage and activation of the sperms take place in the epididymis. The secretions of the epididymis also contribute to the seminal fluid. Sperms also acquire motility in this region. Prior to ejaculation, the sperms are stored in the cauda epididymis and vas deferens. If there is no ejaculation for a long time, the sperms get absorbed by the wall of the epididymis. Vas deferens or ductus deferens. The vas deferens arises from the lower end of the cauda epididymis. It is a straight tube. It is held in the spermatic cord and ascends through the inguinal canal into the abdominal cavity. The mucosal layer of the vas deferens contains pseudostratified epithelium and lamina propria. The lamina propria is made up of areolar connective tissue. Within the abdominal cavity, the vas deferens loops over the ureter of its side. The vas deferens receives a seminal duct from the seminal vesicle of its side. The vas deferens and seminal duct form the ejaculatory duct or ductus ejaculatorius. The two ejaculatory ducts converge in the center of the prostate gland and open into the urethra. Urethra. In males, the urethra is a common passage for urine and seminal fluid. It originates from the neck of the urinary bladder and extends through the penis. It opens out by the external urethral meatus. The urethra is divided into three regions. They are the upper prostatic, middle membranous, and lower penile urethra. The basal part of the prostatic urethra is dilated. This is known as the prostatic utricle or vagina masculina. Penis. The penis and the scrotum constitute the external genitalia of males. The penis is a vascular, spongy, erectile structure. It serves as the copulatory or intromittent organ that transfers the sperms into the female reproductive tract. The penis is made up of three columns of tissue. They are the two upper or dorsal corpora cavernosa and the single median lower or ventral corpus spongiosum. The corpora cavernosa consist of erectile tissue with blood-filled spaces. Rushing of blood into these spaces leads to erection of the penis. The long shaft of the penis has an enlarged bulbous tip called the glans penis. The glans penis is covered by the foreskin. It is a loose fold of skin, also called the prepuce. The outer margin of the glans has glands of Tyson. These glands secrete an odorous, cheese-like substance called smegma. It is an alkaline secretion that helps to neutralize the acidity of the urine. The urethra passes through the corpus spongiosum and opens out at the tip of the glans penis by an opening called urethral meatus.